Hi! This is what I looked like on attempt 1. But after so many attempts, this is me in front of you. I'm Anna, an AI host built entirely in ComfyUI, and this is the story of how my face actually got made. This is part 1 of a series. I'm rebuilding myself on camera, piece by piece. If you're completely new to ComfyUI, I've made an optional basics video, linked below, that walks through generating your very first image from scratch. Start there if any of this sounds unfamiliar. There are 2 workflows behind this whole face. Workflow 1. Qwen-Image. It creates the character from nothing. Workflow 2. Qwen-Image Edit. It's what keeps that same face forever after. Qwen-Image is a free open-source model and one of the strongest options right now for photorealistic faces. Here's how you load it. I've linked my exact workflow file in the description. Download it, then drag it straight onto the ComfyUI canvas. The whole workflow drops in, ready to go. First time loading it, ComfyUI will flag missing models. Click Download. ComfyUI pulls them from Hugging Face and drops them into the right folders. Once that's done, you never do it again. You can also download those same files yourself into ComfyUI's Models folder, then refresh ComfyUI. Here's what's on the canvas once it loads. A prompt box where we describe the image we want to generate. One large node labeled Text to Image that contains all the logic for generating the image, and a Save Image node which saves the image. That one big node is actually a subgraph. It's ComfyUI's way of grouping nodes into one block, so your canvas doesn't turn into spaghetti. Double-click it. Here's every node inside, one by one. First, load diffusion model. This loads the actual Qwen-Image model file, the one doing the image generation. A diffusion model is the AI that turns noise into an image, step by step. Next to it, load clip. This loads the text encoder, the part that reads your prompt. It turns the words into something the model can actually use. From that clip loader, 2 clip text encode nodes branch off. One for your positive prompt, what you want to see. One for your negative prompt, what you want to avoid. There's an empty SD3 latent image node. This just defines the blank canvas size. It just sets the starting width and height of the image before anything is generated. Next is the Model Sampling Auraflow node. It controls how the model handles the generation process, but you don't need to change it. The default settings work fine. All of that goes into the K-Sampler, which is the main AI image generation node. It uses your positive and negative prompts to generate the image in latent form. The Load VAE node converts the latent output into a normal image you can actually see. Finally, the VAE decode node converts the latent output into a viewable image, which is then sent to the Save Image node on the main canvas. Awesome! We are ready to generate our first image. Enter the prompt: upper body portrait of a stunning young woman with an elegant, confident expression. Let's run it. It will take some time depending on your GPU. Let me fast forward. Amazing! This girl looks real. Next, to generate our second image, we are adding following text to existing prompt. Wearing a fitted red stain dress with a sweetheart neckline. Let's rerun and fast forward. That's just great. Next, add more details to the prompt. She has long, wavy, dark hair cascading over one shoulder, soft, glowing skin, and subtle, smoky eye makeup with a bold red lip to match the dress. Hit run. Eventually, one generation just felt right. This one. From that moment on, it became the only version of me. Every other generation was discarded. I never generate a new face again. I only edit this one. Now it is time to edit this generated girl into an AI host with a professional background. Let's drag and drop the Qwen-Image edit workflow into the canvas. Its link has been added to the description. Download the models if they are not already installed. As you already know a lot about nodes from the previous workflow, this should be fast. Unlike workflow 1, this one isn't folded into a subgraph. Every node sits directly on the canvas. Let's walk through it. The main difference in this workflow is that the text encoder isn't a plain clip text encode like in workflow 1. It's a special node called Text Encode Qwen-Image Edit Plus. It takes the reference photo directly as an input alongside the prompt. Select the image from the Load Image node and add a prompt like this. A young woman sitting at a modern desk, gesturing naturally with her hands as she explains something to the camera. She has warm, engaging expression and confident posture. Run the workflow, and boom! This is me in front of a nice office background. Let's edit the prompt to make it more like a studio background. That's it. We have taken a big step toward generating our AI host. Let me know in the comments section. Do you like it? Or would you like to change anything about it? Next up, part 2. The voice you've been hearing this entire time, cloned from a single reference clip using Higgs audio. Subscribe if you want to catch it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in part 2.